How you can delete your watched history into your Facebook. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your watch history into your Facebook. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Facebook. Now from here you have to go in the main menu into your profile, and from here you have to click on this arrow icon of the settings and the privacy. Now from here you have to go in the privacy shortcuts, and from here you have to again scroll down a little bit until you find the option of the access your information. So once you are in, you have to go in the your activity across the Facebook, and from here you have to again scroll down. Now you have to find out the option of the your activity across Facebook into your videos you have watched. You can also go in the search bar and you have to simply type the video, and here is all of the videos information. So you just have to select the option of the videos you have watched, and from here you have to go in the clear history, and from here you can remove all of your clear history that you have watched into your Facebook. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.